In this video, I will show you how to reset your WhatsApp group link. First, launch your WhatsApp and navigate to the chats page. Over here, you're gonna find all the conversation. Launch the group chat for which you wanna change the link. Now at the very top, you're gonna find the group name. You'll need to click on that. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find a fun option. Scroll down, navigate to this one option, invite via link or QR code. Click on that. Now from this page, you are able to reset the group link. Here, you're gonna find the link. In order to reset this link, click on this option reset link given over here. Click on the option reset link, and just for that the link will be reset. You will get the new link. You can use these options given over here and share this link. And that's it. This way you can easily reset your WhatsApp group link. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.